Hi, I'm a state certified instructor. This is driving with miles, such teens and adults. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm getting ready to exit off of the freeway, so I'm going to talk about exiting off of the freeway. My blinker has been on for about 100 feet, quarter of a mile. I'm coming off of the cloverleaf, so a cloverleaf is a really sharp curve. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my time. I'm looking ahead. It is about 6:30 in the morning, so it's still very dark. I have my left blinker on. This is a quadruple turn. Listen, a quadruple. You have 2 lanes that go left, you have 2 lanes to go right. I'm in the middle left lane because I want to make a left turn. So I'm squeezing my brakes. You never want to slam the brakes because if you do, you will get a deduction in points on your DMV test or road test. You want to be able to see the rear of the tires on the ground, which I can see. You always have to check your mirror. So the light's green, but green does not mean go. You have to look left and right. So I'm going up over the bridge, being mindful that it is really cold in the morning and we could have black ice. So I'm just taking my time, allowing big traffic to go, scanning, and I'm in the intersection. It just turned yellow. So you have a right to proceed it. So you want to be mindful of this. So I'm maintaining speed. And I'm going to go ahead and merge back on. So I'm going to talk about how you merge back on. So I have another cloverleaf and my blinker's on. I have to get over to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And then now I have chevron alignment signs. This is a really sharp curve. So I'm barely turning my wheel. I'm taking my time. You can see me looking up and around the curve. And that's what you need to do when you're driving with your DMV tester or road tester. They're just going to sit back and observe you and have a checklist of things, such as observation. Now, I see traffic coming up. I'm at 30 on the cloverleaf. They're at 70 miles an hour. So at some point, I'm going to have to pick up my speed. So I'm gradually picking up my speed. I turn on my left turn signal. And this is where you either pass or fail. So you pop that gas pedal up. I still have a solid white line. So in some states, you have to stay in this lane until the lane is broken. So now my lane is broken, but I can't go yet because there's a car coming really fast. So I maintain good speed control. I'm good. I'm up to about 70 miles an hour. Your DMV tester, road tester will look for you to check over your shoulder, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, having great speed control. The lane to the right is the slow moving lane. So we're going to stay in that lane for teaching purposes. On your DMV tester, road test, they'll have you get on the freeway. They'll have you give it off. And they're going to see if you have great speed control, you have good lane positioning. So I'm looking ahead, aiming high, checking my mirrors, having space in front of me, having space behind me, barely turning the wheel. You want to practice these things before you get to your DMV test or road test because it's really important that you demonstrate competency when you do these type of maneuvers. So everything is looking pretty good. My exit's coming up soon. So 100 feet. I'm going to turn on my blinker about now. It's about a quarter of a mile. My blinker's on. I checked my back window. I checked my sides. I did have a car in my blind spot. So I'm going to go ahead and keep my space. Whenever you slow us down, your instructor, your DMV tester should see you checking your mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and get off now. So I'm maintaining pretty good speed control. And this is the deceleration lane. This is where you slow down. And you want to demonstrate great control. You want to take your time. You want to be really smooth on this cloverleaf. You have warning signs ahead telling you about the speed control. Remember, this is really early in the morning, so we could have black ice. So you want to assume that there's ice, and I'm gradually slowing down, really smooth, nice and easy, taking my time. I'm coming up, turning on my right turn signal. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, and you have to have a complete stop. A lot of students say, driving with the miles, can I turn right on red? The answer is you have to stop first. There's no sign here saying that I can't. I'm looking, I'm checking, and then I turn in the nearest lane because it's legal for me to do so. There's that nice turn, I accelerate out, and then I maintain speed. So let's kind of review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's ed about 21 years. What I need you to do is subscribe to my channel. I need you to share, like, leave comments. More content is coming. I want to say thank you very much.